It's a different cooking show. It's a different cooking show.
Guys, we haven't been vlogging much lately, but we're back at the store. I think we're gonna cook some, I don't know. We're gonna cook something. But we're back at the store, and we're gonna try to get a vlog out to you guys because we've been MIA on the food channel.
Early in the morning,
Today is Sunday. We're gonna be cooking a nice Sunday dinner. So we're gonna be making some cabbage and collard greens. We're gonna mix those together. We're gonna be making some fried chicken thighs. We've left the chicken alone pretty much. So this chicken.
Won't you tell what? And I know it's not.
It's okay, you
part
guys.
Of the
I've
situation,
learned.
But on the chicken, won't you tell them what we found out?
I learned that chicken naturally has a lot of estrogen. I noticed adverse effects in myself when I was eating a lot of chicken. At one point, I was eating a lot of chicken.
Right, because we thought we were eating healthy.
Yeah.
Going from leaving the beef alone, just eating chicken.
Right. We're going to make some fried chicken today.
Yeah.
So here are collard greens.
Thighs, though. Some thighs, though. And we don't eat chicken often no more, but...
Right. And we were eating a lot of white meat chicken. I mean, I prefer dark meat chicken myself because white meat chicken is too dry for me.
Yeah,
other than the wings.
It is Sunday, and we want to have a meal.
Right.
You know what I'm talking about?
So we picked up some eggs, onion, green bell pepper, some thick cut bacon here.
Uh-oh, watch out for that.
Bacon every now and then
That's for seasoning.
well.
That's for seasoning, y'all. Look at these.
Those are jalapenos. Those look huge, huh?
Yes.
I had not gotten no jalapenos
That's what I'm talking about.
big.
Yeah, they pretty big. Look at these, y'all. Yeah. But this is for the cornbread. She's gonna make some jalapeno cheese.
Bacon.
I
said I wasn't gonna add the bacon, but I want to try
cornbread.
it. I've never had it before.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, so we have the whole milk. We were hoping for buttermilk, but they didn't have buttermilk, so we got whole milk. And then we got our good old faithful Lawry seasoning salt.
It's a matter of time that he'll own it. You see the same thing in South Carolina. I'm not against to vote if we never get nothing to do. Black people don't want it. They brought truth to Carolina, but they're being financed by on Sunday about how to bring back the black dollar. We don't allow the white conversation here. This is the White House that doesn't allow me to organize something that's hypnotizing us. That shit probably gonna go up. That stop miseducation.
Mentioned in the beginning of the video, today we're going to be making homemade bacon cheddar jalapeno cornbread, and I got this recipe from Journey Smollett. She's some actress, but anyway, I was watching a cooking show on Discovery Plus and I said let me try that for myself. So anyway, you guys, we have cheese, flour, cornmeal, baking powder, brown sugar, jalapeno eggs, butter, whole milk, kosher salt, and of course the bacon that's in the refrigerator. So test this out with us. We'll let you know how it is. Have been sauteing. This is our bell pepper and our onion.
Smelling good. That's what I'm talking about. It's smelling good up in here. Wish y'all could smell it. Or at least smell what I'm smelling.
Garlic.
Anytime that girl get me up and come up in here in the kitchen, I want to see what she's doing. Because I mean, it's smelling so good out there.
Okay, you guys, and this time we're doing collard greens and cabbage. So this is fried collard greens with cabbage.
Now tell me you had fried collard greens and cabbage. Just tell me you've experienced that before. Let me know. In the comments, let us know, because I know you ain't had fried greens and cabbage.
Here are our washed and cut collard greens.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start adding these. And you know how we do it. We're not gonna just throw the whole thing in there just yet, but we're gonna start with that amount, and we're gonna let those saute, and we're gonna keep adding and adding.
As they shrink.
Right. And we're adding our cabbage last because the cabbage cooks much faster than the greens. So we'll be back, you guys.
We'll be back, y'all. We got the fried greens and cabbage.
On this Sunday, Mother's Day. As a matter of fact, happy
Yeah.
Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there.
Yeah, all the mothers in the world. Especially to all the mothers that we personally know.
Yes.
You know what I'm talking about? All the wives. You dig what I'm saying? Happy Mother's Day. Hopefully y'all enjoying yourselves. You know what I'm talking about?
Ooh, we got Omar going all loud and back. It's okay. It is okay. Okay, bacon. Okay, here's our bacon drippings, jalapeno. Okay, there we go. I cut up bacon and jalapeno. We're allowing it to drain on a paper towel. Okay, so here we have our dry ingredient, our cornmeal, flour, salt, and they said to put the brown sugar in with the flour and the cornmeal. Anyway, that's what that is here. So we're gonna get this well combined. And this is our wet ingredient, eggs, milk, and butter. So I'm gradually adding my wet to my dry. And I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. And then I'm gonna add my grated cheddar cheese. They use white cheddar, I use yellow cheddar. So I'm gonna combine this cheddar really good.
All right.
Showed you guys that.
All right.
Ooh.
Now all the time, you know, or any time since we on this camera, You know what I'm talking about? I must say, you know, we don't support the yin, the oink, oink. We don't, you know what I'm talking about? But there is flavor in certain things. The world is a movie. Wanna be busters and goofies?
Okay, you guys, we're dumping this in our skillet of our bacon fat that was left.
This is the hang-on.
Our skillet cornbread. We've allowed this to cook for 45 minutes. We cooked it on 350. It's looking good, smelling good. So we're gonna let it rest for a while. We have some chicken going in the background, some rice, and some fried collard greens and cabbage. So we'll be back when we're ready to eat. Jalapeno cheddar cornbread is done.
Yes.
And right now we're just gonna taste it.
Time to see what it tastes
We
like.
let it cool off. Hopefully it didn't get too cool, but you wanna hold that camera?
Yeah, I got that. Come on, let's go.
We're gonna split this piece here. We have no idea, you guys. No idea. Bacon, jalapeno cheddar. I think we left off the bacon. Anyway. I didn't want a super big piece. But we wanted more butter with this, but I cooked this with butter in it rather than oil as the recipe called for. So here's your piece.
But we will show our hands, so that's what's happening.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. What in the heck?
I'm about to choke. No, it's
yeah,
good.
it's good. It'll be even better with your sides, your greens, your fried chicken, and everything else. So I just wanted to taste it. I'm gonna take one more bite.
Oh yeah, it's good.
And then we need to add a little more butter.
Man, stop playing. Y'all see that? Check this out. I got the what is this rice, babe? What kind
It's just some seasoned rice.
Seasoned rice. Good though. I already did bit into
Jasmine rice.
Y'all see my fork, right? But I got fried green cabbage. Whoa, stop playing. Y'all ain't never had fried greens. You might have fried cabbage, but you ain't had fried green cabbage. And we got some chicken thighs. And we also got this jalapeno cheese, bacon, cornbread. I wasn't too keen on the busy bacon, but wife said flavor. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah. But look though, for real though. Y'all see this though? Y'all ain't had this though. Y'all don't know what this is, huh? This that cheese jalapeno cornbread with a little extra up in there. You dig what I'm talking about? I ain't gonna say too much, but yeah. Stop playing with your boy. Don't say nothing. Home cooked meal. Wife wanted this to put this down. And when it's made at home, it's made with love. I keep trying to tell y'all.
I made a bunch of candles during the pandemic. And then I got burnt out on candle making, so I packed all my candle making stuff away. I packed all my candles away. The scents weren't coming out like I expected them to. So I just packed everything away. So now it's about 3 years later, and I opened one of my candles the other day to burn it because I ran out of store-bought candles. And they smell so good after sitting for a couple years. So anyway, here I am digging into my box of what's left of these candles. I gave a lot away. So what I realized is they need to sit. They need to cure or mature or whatever you call it to get them the way they're supposed to smell. And once you light them up, to get that throw that you want. I noticed when I burned them, not too long after I made them, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, they weren't giving off a good throw. But 2.5, 3 years later, they give off great throw. I think I'm gonna get back into making my candles. I really think I am. Anyway. Look at that. This one smells so good.